Good morning, Om Santi. Today we learn about lines and shapes. So, the first basic shape is, or the first basic figure is our point. So, a point is a figure that has only position, means it occupies some place, but we cannot measure it. That means it has no length, no breadth, no height, and it is denoted by capital letters like A, B, and C. The next fundamental figure is our ray. Ray is a figure which has only one ending point, or you can say one terminating point. Means it is one starting point, but it does not ends. The non-ending point is shown by arrow mark, and the ending point is shown by a point. So one side arrow is denoted as the symbol of ray, and ray cannot be measured. The next fundamental figure is a line. It has no terminating point or ending point. It can be measured and is denoted by two-side arrow mark. Then comes our line segment. A line segment is a part of a line, and it has two terminating point or two ending point. It can be measured. Now comes your closed shape. These shapes have same starting and ending point. That means it starts from which point and ends at that point. Now see the figure. A figure is starting point A point and also ends at A point. A figure is starting at B point and again it ends at B point. Similarly, some figures are starting from C point and again it ends at C point. For example, bangle, circle, rectangle, trapezium, etc. are closed shape. Now open shapes are the shapes that have different starting and ending point. In the figure you can see the figure starts from A and ends at B. Another figure which is starting from C and ends at D point. So it is referred as open shapes. Now next is your polygon. Polygon is a closed shape having more than two sides made up of line segments. First polygon is our triangle. So triangle is a polygon which has three sides and three vertices. In the figure ABC, AB, BC, CA are the three sides, and A, B, C are three vertices. What is vertex? Vertex are the points which is formed by the meeting point of two line segments. Like in ABC triangle, when AB and AC sides meet at A point, then it forms a vertex. Similarly, when AB and BC meet at B point, it forms B vertex, and BC and AC meeting at C forms C vertex. And AB, BC, CA are the three sides which are three line segments. Next is our quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a polygon having four sides and four vertices. In the figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral where AB, BC, CD, DA are four sides. A, B, C, D are four vertices. Now we should learn about some special quadrilateral. The first special quadrilateral is our square. Square is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal, means all four sides are equal. In the figure you can see PQRS is a square where all sides are 10 centimeter. The next special quadrilateral is our rectangle. Rectangle is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal. In the figure MNOP is a rectangle where MN and PO is 5 centimeter and MP and NO side is 3 centimeter. So students, now we have learned some figures about the topic lines and step. So at last I am giving some questions for you for homework. So again, see the session. You can forward and backward the video which gives you more understanding about the session, and be safe, fight with corona, and have a good day. Om Shanti.